standing in front of the newly completed Dilleys and Wadsworth Roundabout, where we converted a previous two-way stop intersection to the roundabout. And then down the street we have the resurfacing of Wadsworth Road, either side of 41, where we also relocated a gas station driveway for safety purposes. It was planned to be a 90-day closure, complete closure of both Dilleys and Wadsworth, but due to good weather and good contractor cooperation, we were able to trim that down to only 74 days and just opened that on October 16th.
So overall, what people are going to see at the roundabout is a safety and an operational improvement and enhancement here at this intersection. In addition, from here to the east over to the Des Plaines River Trail, we resurfaced the pavement, so have a smoother ride out there. And then we also added in non-motorized improvements from the commercial businesses in Wadsworth down to the canoe launch with some bike lanes. They'll tie in the Des Plaines River Trail as well.
As the driver approaches the roundabout, the first thing they're going to want to do is slow down and look for pedestrians or bicyclists in the crosswalk. We need to yield for those and then proceed toward the roundabout. You'll be looking to your left for any oncoming cars. When there's an acceptable gap in the roundabout, proceed and travel through the circle slowly and make your exit. As you exit, you also want to look for pedestrians and bicyclists crossing the exit leg of the roundabout. You'll have to watch for them there before you completely exit the roundabout and continue on to your destination. All the roundabouts in Lake County, especially this one behind me, has a center landscaped island. That center island is meant to block the vision of vehicles as we approach the intersection. They don't need to look across the roundabout to see people and vehicles on the far side. So we plant these landscaped islands so that the visibility is reduced, focusing the driver's attention, pedestrians and bicyclists in the crosswalks, as well as vehicles approaching in the circle to their left.
I'm very excited about this project. I think it's a great addition to Wadsworth and Dilleys. I think even the people that are using it on a daily basis in the morning commute and the evening commute will really be happy that the project is completed and there, and I'm excited about it. My hat goes off to our staff. We've had a full construction season, even with the pandemic. They've worked very hard and we've been able to get our projects done as planned from the very beginning. So much appreciation out to them. They worked very hard in these trying times, and it's very much appreciated by the county board, myself included. So thanks.